Hello, this is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing. I'm here at New Providence HOA, address 2420 Avenida, Mastil. As you can see, I took a large cable and went ahead and got rid of the vast majority of this root. This will buy us some time on this line, preventing future backups until we can get back in here to make a repair. You can see the line is pretty much clear throughout, that being the only problem. This is Cruz with Scott English Plumbing. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.